Unraveling the silence, the magic of soundproof curtains. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that might just be the solution you need for a quieter environment: soundproof curtains. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone craving some peace and quiet at home, understanding what soundproof curtains are and how they work could be a game changer for you. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind these innovative curtains. Soundproof curtains are not your ordinary curtains. They are specially designed to reduce noise entering or leaving a room. Made from thick, densely woven materials like polyester or suede, these curtains have the ability to absorb sound waves, thereby minimizing the noise that can pass through. But it's important to note that while they significantly reduce noise levels, they don't completely eliminate sound. Think of them as a major improvement to your space's acoustics rather than a total silence solution. The magic behind soundproof curtains lies in their material and design. These curtains are made from layers of heavy, dense fabric that absorb and dampen sound. The thickness and the tight weave of the fabric prevent sound waves from easily passing through. This is why they are much heavier than regular curtains. Some soundproof curtains also come with a thermal layer that not only helps with sound reduction but also insulates your room, making it warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Soundproof curtains are incredibly versatile and can be used in various settings, such as homes, offices, studios, and classrooms. They are particularly useful in urban areas, where traffic noise is a constant issue, home theaters or studios, where you want to enhance sound quality by reducing outside noise, shared spaces, like apartments or dorm rooms, where you wish to minimize the amount of noise you share with neighbors or roommates. They're also an excellent option for night shift workers or anyone who needs to sleep during the day when the outside world is at its loudest. Installing soundproof curtains is as simple as hanging regular curtains, but due to their weight, ensuring the curtain rod is sturdy enough to hold them is crucial. Maintenance is straightforward. Most can be cleaned with a vacuum or damp cloth, and some are machine washable. Always check the care instructions to keep your curtains effective and looking great. We hope this video has shed some light on the quiet magic of soundproof curtains and how they can improve your living or working space. Whether it's for better sleep, more focused study sessions, or simply creating a more serene home environment, soundproof curtains offer a simple yet effective solution. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your daily life. Here's to a quieter and more peaceful environment for all.